Hi. This is me, aka Harshit, and this is Python. Oops, I am not talking about any snake. I am talking about this Python, the world's most easiest and powerful programming language, which is used in AI, data analyst, space science, and also Python is used as a primary language to create the first image of black hole. And today, in this video, we are going to make a space shooter game by using Python from scratch. As we all know, we are not using any game engine, so we don't have scene editor, physical component, toolbox. So yeah, let's get started to the video without wasting any time. So first of all, we will open VS Code and start by writing import arcade. And now, y'all will think, what's import arcade? So basically, import arcade is of two types, pygame and arcade library. Pygame is the most oldest, common and general language. And for rendering, it uses simple direct media layer and has a used community of tutorials, example and answers online. And on the other hand, arcade library uses OpenGL Piglet. Basically, it's a GPU accelerated and it is easy for beginners because of its very readable code, perfect for teaching. So yeah, we are going to make our game in this arcade library. And as we all know, we have to visualize everything. So let's get started by creating the black screen first. So as you can see, after setting the screen width, height and title, I will tell Arcade to render a black screen, and after running the code you can finally see the black window, and now we can see our progress in this window, and now it's time to render a spaceship in this black screen. After giving a triangle some value like P1, P2 and P3 and assigning the color cyan, here we go. We can finally see the triangle in the screen, and as we can see, we don't have any movement in our spaceship right now. So let's give it the movement. Alright, so let's talk about movement now. It will be the same as in every other game. WASD. And now for rotation, our mouse cursor will decide it. Means our player angle will get some value. And as you can see, our spaceship is rotating perfectly and movements too. And now we are going to add firing system with which our spaceship can fire bullets. So for that we will make bullet class, and after adding some shooting system, now our player can finally fire. Guys, our game is looking so empty. So now let's add enemies. For that, let me assign some value, and now after adding class enemy and giving it value to spawn enemies, and after doing this much, we will use the same logic of player to draw enemies. And yeah, we can see enemies now. But now we have problems like we can't shoot them or they can't shoot us because we have not added the health and damage system in the game. So let's add that first. Okay, so we have added health and damage system in our game along with score system and have added a colossal system. Means when enemy will collide with us, they will die and we will get some damage. But now we have one problem. Like as we can see, our enemy is not firing a single bullet. And I don't like that. I don't want my game to be that much easy. So yeah, let's add new type of enemy which can fire bullets. And yeah, as we can see our second type of enemy which can fire. And if you have noticed, I have added the health bar in the game too, from which we can see enemy's health. And now it's looking pretty clean. Guys, our game is still looking so easy. So let's make it hard by adding boss which can one shot us. Basically, it will shoot two types of bullet. Type 1 bullet will give you something around 20 damage and type 2 bullet will one shot you. Yeah, so as you can see, the boss is spawning now and shooting bullets too. Everything is working perfectly till now, but I think game got a bit too hard cause I died 5 times while recording this one. So let's add some power up for you guys so you don't break your PC and rage bait. So as you can see now, power up is spawning in the game. It will spawn randomly from above after every 15 to 20 seconds. And if we talk about every power up, when you get shield, you will not take damage from enemies for 15 seconds. But obviously, boss can one shot you. And second, whenever you get rapid fire, your firing power will increase by 5%. And third, when you get heart, it will increase your health by 10%. Guys, so I think everything is ready now. So let's replace everything with our custom made assets. For background, I am gonna use this image. And this one is for our player spaceship. This one is for our enemy. And this one is for the boss. And for sound, I am gonna use from this file.